What's up guys, today we are looking at this TnYoYo Scart to HDMI adapter. So it's an upscaler 1080p. I don't know if that is true, but that's what it says in the box. Scart to HDMI converter, it's made in China, Chinese company, UK rep EC, hang on. Yeah, it's based in Ipswich, UK or Budapest, and it has contact details right here. Let's open this up and check it out. Nice. So it comes in this. Oh, this has a mini USB. Congratulations, you are our lucky customer. Scan the code to get the gift. I don't know. £10. We'll see. Here's the instruction manual, specifications. It has also, it's just 2 pages, and then the rest are in different languages. Is that German? Spanish maybe? Don't know, Portuguese maybe? Actually, I don't know. Oh, ES España, IT Italian, DE German, FR is French. My bad. Alright, put these to the side. Oh, it's made out of die-cast metal. That's a nicer touch compared to the plastic. It feels robust. So here we have 1080p. I think, what is that? Depress is 1080p, press down is 720p. HDMI. Bit greasy there, I wonder what that is. And it needs 5-volt DC. It's very nice, it feels very nice. It's the model, and that's the Scart. So yeah, so I'll be using this for satellite box, DVD player, and see how it works. Pretty sure it's a mini USB, mini or micro, mini. I'll say mini USB. You can correct me in the comments. And this is USB-A. Let's have a look on the website and see what it says. Oh yeah, so I got this for about £15 on Amazon. It's an upscaler, so it upscales to 1080p at 60 Hz or 720p at 60 Hz. Upgraded aluminium design. So it's made out of aluminium, and it has a bit of heft to it as well. It's widely compatible, used with your DVD player, Skybox, VHS, STB, PS1, PS2, PS3, VCR, DVR, Xbox, Blu-ray, game consoles, and all kinds of devices with SCART input interface. Yeah, so this is a female SCART, so you can put the male into there. Plug and play, easy to set up and operate, no external driver needed. Power supply with 80cm USB cable, 5-volt USB power adapter. It says it has 24-month warranty support and excellent customer service. That's interesting. Maybe that's why, because it's a lot more expensive than the other ones. Is this just a sticker? Oh no, it's kind of embedded in. Alright, so that's just the unboxing and first look at this TnYoYo Scart to HDMI upscaler. So it goes from input SCART and then output HDMI. Alright, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Hit that bell notification so you can get a notification of the next video. I'm going to make a follow-up video testing this out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.